What up boys and girls, in between today I'm going to be teaching you how you can play factions in Minecraft 2021. So this is going to be very easy, so let's just not waste your time and let's get into the video. So all you have to do is tap on play button, then go to server, then go to the very bottom, scroll down to the bottom and tap on the add server button. I have already added the server, so I'll just tap on the edit. So all you have to do is add any name to your server. It just depends on you. Add any name and in the server address type play.nightarena.tk. The IP and port will be in the description and the port is default. So I will tap on save because I already saved it, and now let's just join the server. So this is not like very hard. Just do this and tap on play. So in this clip my network is very slow, so I will have to switch to my Wi-Fi to join the server because my network is like 2 kbps. So yeah, let's switch my network to Wi-Fi. You just don't need to switch your network to your Wi-Fi, and if you already have your Wi-Fi then it is all good. But still, if you are mobile data, it's all right, you can join this server, but it's just that I have a very bad connection. So let's move on to our Wi-Fi. Okay, so guys, my that phone was not working. I was not able to join the server because of my network, so I switched to a different mobile, which I'm using the mobile data only. And as you can see, I have joined the server. Currently I am in the PvP area, so I will do /hub, and it will take a load while to load because my phone is the 2 GB in this phone. And as you can see, I am in the spawn area, and this is basically the factions. As you can see, there is Warzone, crates and wilderness. If you want to go start a new journey, just if you want take any kit, there will be a guy called kits. As you can see, select any kit and then go to the wilderness and start your journey. This is that easy. I have selected the monthly kit for now. You can choose any of these 3 kits, and if you vote you get a different tree. And as you can see, this server is restarting, so I guess I'll have to say bye. Thank you very much for watching. I shall see you in the next one. Until then, it's with me, Harshit, and I'm out. Peace. By the way, this server restarts so you don't face any lag, so bye bye.